Welcome back. In this video we will work on this boat neckline. You can use this as a collar as well, and we are making this in the ladies size. To make this neckline we will use 4mm crochet hook, and you can use this yarn as well. I'll share the link for this hook with you, and you can find it in the description. Let's start working on this. The yarn that we are going to use is double knit yarn, that is also called 8-ply yarn. First of all, we make a slip knot, and then we will make 118 chains for the ladies size. After completing 118 chains, we will start row number 1. We will make 4 triple crochets in the 4th chain from hook. We will count from the first chain 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th chain. In this loop here, we will make 1, 2, 3, 4 in this 4th loop. For the triple crochet, we need to wrap the yarn on the hook twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4th chain. In that, we will go wrap the yarn on the hook, pull a loop. We have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2. Yarn over, pull through next 2. Yarn over and pull through last 2. We got our first triple crochet. In the same way, we will make 3 more in the same chain. We are creating a shell with the 4 triple crochets. Here we got our first shell. Now we will skip 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th one we will make a single crochet. Skip 5 chains, and in the 6th one make a single crochet. Now make 2 chains, and then make 4 triple crochet in the same place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again we will repeat the same process. We will skip 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the 6th one we will make a single crochet. Chain 2, and then we will make 4 triple crochets in this same place, in the same chain. In the same way, we will keep working and complete the row. Just skip 5 chains, and in the 6th chain make a single crochet, then 2 chains, and then 4 triple crochets. Keep working. I'll see you at the end of the row. I am at the end of my first row. I will skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, and in the 6th one, which is the last one, I will make a single crochet. But before then, I have to complete my second last shell. Now skip 5 chains in the sixth one, which is the last one. We will make a single crochet, chain 2, and 4 treble crochet. It's also called treble crochet. With that, we have completed the first row. Now let's start row number 2. We'll turn around, chain 1, and we will make slip stitch in the first 4 stitches. Now in this space that is between chain 2 and these 4 treble crochets here, we will make a single crochet, then chain 2, and then we will make the shell that we make using 4 triple crochets. Now skip these shells, and here the chain 2 space we will make again a single crochet, chain 2, and 4 triple crochet shell in the same space. So row number 2 is the main row that we will follow around to complete the collar or neckline. Skip these 4 triple crochets, and here in the chain 2 space we will make single crochet and chain 2, and then repeat the same process. Make 4 triple crochets. In the same way, we will complete the whole row, and we need to make one more row after this, and then our color will be complete.
After completing 3 rows, that's how it looks like. I have put it like folded a bit. Now we will fold it on the top of each other, and that's how it will turn into a rounded neckline or a collar like this. And we need to stitch from one side of the shoulder, that we will do using the yarn needle, and then our crochet collar or crochet rounded neckline will be ready. This is the final look after stitching, and I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next tutorial. Until then, have a nice time. Bye.